Hey, what's up everyone? Andy here with the RVA team. I got Ella. She's a 2-year-old pit lab mix. She's here for a 2-week board and train. Ella's a very sweet dog. Has a bit of an issue with men. Gets very nervous. This nervous anxiety transfers into many other situations as well. Really just a lack of communication on her part. She just doesn't understand her environment, doesn't understand the stimulus that she's seeing or feeling or hearing, and she doesn't know how to interpret. So that's what I'm going to change. I'm going to get it all turned around for her and the owner. So let me show you where she's at today before we start training. Ella, come. Come. Yes, there you go. Super choosy, right? Ella, come. Come here. Good. Yeah, good girl. All right, we'll get there, baby. Sit. Ella, sit. Perfect. Good girl. All right, heel.
It's okay.
Yeah, this is the game to you, isn't it? All right. Yep. Yeah, come on, girl. There you go. Yep. Ella. Nothing. All right. That doesn't work. Okay. All right, so we got work cut out for us. I'm going to get to work with Ella. Oh, I got your attention now. Yeah. You guys give me 2 weeks. Check back with me for a brand new dog. Ella, come on. Yes, let's go, girl. Come on, baby.